Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the last Halloween tutorial I have for 2018, and I'm a little sad but I'm a little excited because I've been dying to do this look. This was sort of not a last minute look, but a lot of the looks that I've already done were planned like a couple of months in advance, whereas this look was kind of brought up at like the 1st of October, maybe a little bit after that, but I am so excited. So today we are going to be doing Ursula, and if you don't know who Ursula is, where have you been? Ursula is the wicked, is she a witch? Yeah, she's like a wicked witch from The Little Mermaid, and if you haven't seen The Little Mermaid, where have you been? So today I am going to be doing a really pretty version of Ursula, and then I'm going to be making her a little bit grosser. Okay, so I just went ahead and blocked out my eyebrows because we're going to be drawing on new eyebrows. My eyebrows do not look anything like Ursula's. So we are just going to get straight into painting the face, you guessed it, purple. I'm then also just going to start taking this down my neck and my chest. Okay, so while everywhere else is drying, I realized that I probably should not have covered my eyelids, so I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. I'm starting to look ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to start creating Ursula's eyeshadow. It's literally one shade of blue, but we're going to mix it up a little bit. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go in with is from the Too Faced Sugar Pop palette. And this one is called Blue Raspberry, which is this one right here. I'm just going to get that one and put that all through my crease. I'm then just going to go in with this blue right here from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to pop that all through my crease as well. So I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with this greeny kind of blue right here. I'm going to pop that on my outer V. Okay, so change of plan because for some reason none of these colors are working. I'm going to go in with like a denim blue color. So I am making sure that the eyeshadow stays quite harsh because that's kind of the look that I'm going for. So if it's not perfectly blended, I apologize. Okay, so I'm then just going to go in with a little bit of black. And I'm just going to intensify it a little bit more. If you're wondering why I look a little bit patchy now, it's just because I applied some more paint over some areas that I really needed it. I'm just going to add a little bit of eyeliner to this look because I feel like it's missing something. Fingers crossed I can get these eyebrows looking okay. I'm just going in with liquid liner to do it. I'm just going to draw a very faint line and then I'll probably go over them with black body paint, but wish me luck. I have made this eyebrow higher so it looks like this eyebrow is being raised. Does that make sense? Probably not. Okay, so with some of the black eyeshadow, I'm just going to very gently run a tiny bit of that underneath my lower lash line. You know what? I'm going to add some glitter into this. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the Inglot pigment in the number 117, which is a really beautiful blue, and I'm just going to pop that on my lid. Going in with quite a dark purple, I'm going to use this as my contour, and I'm just, my God. And I'm just going to start very lightly. I'm then just going to go in with some highlight. I'm going to use the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm just going to use a mixture of like the pinks because I unfortunately do not have a purple highlighter. So we're just going to make this work. Okay, so my lashes are getting tacky at the moment, so we are going to work on the necklace. I'm just going to draw the black lines of the necklace and then kind of stop here. I have some pigments that I'm going to mix with some liquid to make a gold liquid, and I will be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on, and the last thing to do now is just to pop on some red lipstick. So we're going to do that. Here is the glamorous side of Ursula. Honestly, this wig makes me laugh so friggin' hard. It's ridiculous. I have no words, but honestly, I feel like it brings the look together a little bit more, but here is glamorous Ursula. Okay, so now that we've got this side of things down, it is time to get yucky and gross. So if you have seen the movie Little Mermaid, you would remember the scene where Ursula dies in a boat fire. We are going to make half of our face burnt. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some liquid latex, and I'm going to start pretty much painting my face with it, but I'll be doing small sections because it will dry quickly. And then what I'm actually going to do to create the burnt look, I have a little mixture of some things that you'll probably have in your cupboard. So in here I've got some herbs, I've got poppy seeds, and I've also got, I don't know, I've just got a whole bunch of seeds. And I'm going to be applying this to my face to make it look like that burnt effect. I think I'm also going to switch in between the latex and eyelash glue. Make sure you take your eyelashes off, especially if you don't want to ruin them. Just keep in mind this is extremely messy. What is happening? How did we get to this? My God. Okay, so now that this is on, this is honestly just to create the burnt effect. I'm not leaving it like this. I'm now going to go in with a little bit of black body paint and also a little bit of red body paint. We're just going to change this up. as you can see, I'm looking a little cooked. This is honestly the easiest part of the entire look because now we're just going to add a lot of blood. So I'm just going to take the Meron blood, and honestly, I'm just going to start popping that all over. Okay, so this escalated really quickly. Anyways, and that is literally all you need to do to create a burnt look. I was going to create some fish scales, but I don't have time to do that today. Oh my god, it's going in my mouth. So I just thought I would give you guys a bit of a closer look. So honestly, you can create a burnt look with any sort of product that you have at home, whether it's an ingredient or I don't know, something else that you have. Oats are another really good option. So if you don't have all like the stuff that I've just used, like all the seeds and the oregano and stuff like that, you can use oats. So that was my original idea, but I forgot to buy them. So this is what I look like. Honestly, I think it looks really awesome. Anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video of my Ursula look. Hands down, it's my favorite look of 2018. It's definitely my favorite. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Anyways, if you do like today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel before you leave today. But until next time, I will see you in another normal video. Bye.